Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about vitamin D and its importance for your cat. I am Dr. Sudashini Dasanayaka, consultant veterinary surgeon from Sri Lanka. Hope you will enjoy this session. Before going to the proper topic, I would like to introduce few amazing facts about your cat. Your female cat attains maturity around 6 to 9 months of age. However, she may become pregnant as early as 4 months of age. Gestation period, that means pregnancy lasts 60 to 63 days. Average litter size for kittens. Vitamin D is an essential vitamin for your cat. It is fat soluble vitamin. However, insoluble in water, but freely soluble in ethanol and methanol. In the nature, you can find vitamin D as two forms. Vitamin D2, that is ergocalciferol. You can find ergocalciferol in plant materials. Vitamin D3, that is cholecalciferol, mainly found on animal tissues. Your cat is obligate carnivore, therefore your cat's main source of dietary vitamin D comes from cholecalciferol. Vitamin D stable in storage during cooking and during processing. It is relatively stable vitamin. Vitamin D3 structure, we can consider it as secosteroid, molecular formula C27H44O, molecular weight 384.6 gram per mole. It appears as fine colorless crystals. Vitamin D, known as sunshine vitamin. However, cats cannot synthesize vitamin D in their skin in response to sunlight. But human, they can synthesize vitamin D in their skin in response to sunlight. Therefore, for cats, you have to give all their vitamin D requirement through their diet. After intestinal absorption, cholecalciferol enters to blood and transported by a glycoprotein known as vitamin D binding protein to the liver. In the liver, dietary vitamin D3 converts to 25 hydroxy vitamin D3 by enzyme complex, that is one enzyme, mitochondrial enzyme, and 3 microsomal enzymes. They are commonly called as 25 hydroxylase enzymes in liver. They convert vitamin D3 into 25 hydroxy D3. Then this 25 hydroxy D3 travels to kidney. In the kidney, 1 alpha hydroxylase enzyme acts on 25 hydroxy D3 and it converts to 1,25 dihydroxy D3. This is the biological active vitamin, that is 1,25 dihydroxy D3 is the biologically active vitamin D3 and it acts on bone, intestine, kidney and cellular level. That is active vitamin D, and after that it has to be catabolized. There are two pathways for catabolization. One is it converts to calcitric acid which excrete via bile, that is carbon 24 oxidation pathway. There's another pathway, that is 23 carbon lactone pathway. From that pathway, 1,25 dihydroxy D3 converts to 1 alpha dihydroxy D3 26,23 lactone, that is again inactive form. Storage and excretion. Storage mainly in blood, liver, adipose tissue, muscle tissue and kidneys. Excretion through bile into the feces. Functions of vitamin D3 in cats. It acts as a hormone. Controls absorption of calcium and phosphorus from the intestine. and it controls bone mineralization, controls excretion of calcium through kidneys. In the cellular level, it controls cell proliferation, differentiation and apoptosis, that means cellular death. It maintains healthy muscle and nervous system. It prevents certain types of cancers and maintains blood calcium and phosphorus level. Requirement according to NRC 2006 for kittens 5.6 microgram vitamin D3 per kg of diet. For adults 7 microgram vitamin D3 per kg of diet, that is for maintenance, late gestation or peak lactation. AAFCO 2007 recommendations for cats, again 750 international unit vitamin D3 per kg of feed for growth and reproduction, 500 international unit vitamin D3 per kg feed for maintenance. Causes for deficiency: an inadequate dietary intake always leads to vitamin D deficiency. Intestinal diseases like chronic diarrhea, those conditions leads to again vitamin D deficiency. Liver diseases, that is inadequate conversion of vitamin D to 25-hydroxy vitamin D. Again kidney diseases, that means inadequate conversion of 25-hydroxy vitamin D to 1,25-dihydroxy vitamin D. Symptoms of deficiency: pain, fatigue, muscle weakness, weight loss, susceptible to congestive heart failure, depression, generalized ataxia, caudal paralysis and osteomalacia. Causes for toxicity: oversupplementation or eating rodents poison with vitamin D rich baits. Symptoms of toxicity: loss of appetite, weakness, heavy drooling, vomiting, polyuria, polydipsia which leads to dehydration, constipation, depression, feces with blood, abnormal heart rhythm, seizures, mineralization of soft tissues. Rich sources of vitamin D for cats: salmon, herring, sardines, tuna, mackerel, swordfish, liver and egg yolk. Now we are at the end of the session. Hope you enjoyed well. If you have any comments, please leave it below. I am eagerly waiting for your comments. I will meet you again in near future with another episode. Until then, take care, stay safe, goodbye.